How to fix screen brightness won't change problem. So if you're not being able to adjust your screen brightness, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your search. And under search, you need to search for device manager. So simply go with device manager. Under device manager here, you will have a lot of options. So you just need to simply go with the monitors and go with integrated monitor, or you just need to simply go and right click on it and then go with update driver. Go with the first, which is search automatically for drivers. And once you've done that, now you need to go with search for updated drivers on Windows Update. And if you have any updates, then simply go and update it. But if you don't have one, then again go with update driver and go with browse my computer for drivers. Click on it and then you just need to simply go with browse. And if you have any drivers under your hardware, then simply choose a folder and then go with OK. And simply go with next and click on this option, which is let me pick from a list of available drivers on my laptop, and click on the first option. Like if you have 2 or 3 options, then you can simply go with the first option and then go with next, and it will install the drivers. Once it's updated, your brightness will be updated. But if you're not being able to change the brightness, then you can simply go with the second one or the third one. Like if you have 2 or 3, then you can simply go with the second one or third one and then go with next, and your problem will be fixed. And after that, again go with an option of display adapters. Click on display adapters and then choose the first option. Right click on it, go with update drivers and go with search automatically for drivers. Once you've done, you just need to simply close it and again go with the right click and go with the second option, which is browse my computer for drivers, and simply go with let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and choose the first one and then go with next. And it might restart your computer, just don't worry. Once you've done that, now you just need to simply close it, and you need to do that with all of the 3 models. So if the first model fixed your problem, then you don't need to go with the second or third one. So once you've done this, you just need to simply go back and you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your screen brightness, won't change problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.